When planning my 8-day solo trip around Ghana, I knew I would only be spending 5 nights in Accra, so to save costs, I spent 4 of those nights in studio apartments. I booked this shipping container 10 living space through Airbnb. I was a bit skeptical at first, but for as low as $32 a night, I was sold.
So this is where I'm staying. They're modern shipping containers which have been transformed into mini studio apartments, fully equipped with kitchenettes, a bed, and a bathroom. So you have everything you need. It's also in Osu, which is in the center of Accra, about 15 minutes away from the international airport, and you can get to everything from here. The environment is super quiet, it's really serene, and yeah, let me take you on a tour. The apartments are located in a gated compound, and each resident has a key to the gate. You're shown how to lock it, how to operate it, so it's very secure. But even at that, there is an attendant who lives in the compound who is always available in case you have any issues. On my first 2 nights in Accra, I stayed in the yurt, which is on top of the container. You have to climb these stairs to get to it. This apartment is one of the smallest places I've ever stayed on any of my trips. There is one single bed. However, the cabinets are fully stocked with plates and cutlery, and the bed is quite comfortable. The bathroom, although small, is big enough for one person, and overall the room is very cozy, and for 2 nights I paid $70. On nights 5 and 6, I booked one of the other apartments to compare. This one is called the Kule, and in addition to being more accessible, it's also slightly bigger than the yurt. It has a double bed, a bigger bathroom and kitchen, and I much preferred it to my first stay. And although it's bigger than the yurt, it costs virtually the same price. I paid $74 for 2 nights. Overall, I'll say this stay was extremely comfortable, and I'll 100% be booking it again on my next trip to Ghana. If you do end up staying here, make sure you take advantage of how central the stay is. On my 6th night, I visited Osu Night Market with some friends. It's a short 5-minute drive from the apartment, and you can try all types of street food. I bought some white rice and beef plus some kile, which is spiced fried plantain. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video about how I touched a crocodile in northern Ghana.